Hey, this is Taylor with Truck World RVA. Today we're going to be looking at a 2015 Ford F550, 6.7 Power Stroke diesel, two-wheel drive, right under 195,000 miles. Very nice Van Air RC40 hydraulic compressor, hydraulic outriggers, 12-foot maintainer service body, 6000 series crane, two-stage hydraulic extension. It's got around a 6,000 pound max capacity. We'll have to look at the load chart. I think it's a little bit over that. And I want to say about a 24-foot maximum boom reach. Very nice truck, two sets of drawers in it. The entire bed was just refinished, sandblasted and repainted. And it does also have a brand new Ford transmission with transferable warranty on that as well from the dealer. Again, it's a 2015 model. I'm going to go all the way around the truck, inside the cab, all around the exterior, basically show you everything you want to see on it if you're here looking at it in person. If you do have any questions or want to see any additional photos, please let me know. Happy to send over any additional photos, videos, whatnot. Like I said, we just refinished the bed, so all the doors closed, latch, lock properly. The finish on the body is excellent. Really shows well in person as well. You can see, you know, it's nice and shiny. You can see my reflection in it. We'll take a look inside all the service bins. You can see the floors are nice and dry as well. Solid floors there. The frame rails are solid. Got a little bit of surface rust all along the exhaust components, which is pretty common, but then also in some of the thinner pieces of metal along the cab. Cab corners are solid, and the frame rails are good. Just wanted to show that as well. There's another shot looking towards the back. Bottoms of bins. Again, my number is 804-716-8487. You can call or text at any time. I'm going to zoom out here, give you a better angle of the bins when we're looking inside. This is the first bin. It's the driver front bin. You have a control panel in here. Floodlights are on. There's your compressor. Towards the end of the video, I will do a crane demonstration, as well as a cold start. So if you want to see the equipment operating on the truck, skip ahead to the end. I'll run the air compressor, the outriggers, and then start the crane as well. A little bit of surface rust inside the floor, like you saw on the bottom of the floor. The bottoms are all dry, but you do have a little bit of surface rust inside there. I really like the way these maintainers close and latch, and that lip they have run across the top too. I feel like really helps keep water intrusion out of the bins. This is the second compartment on the driver's side. All the drawers work like they should. Tons of tool storage on this truck. That gas shock needs replaced. It does not hold this door up. I'm holding it up with my hand, just an FYI. Up, push this up. Decent tread on the tires. And you got a little bit of rust up here in the bed. Let me go back to one zoom. All right, back to 0.5. Nice big workbench rear bumper. Obviously your outrigger controls are in there, and you got manual crane controls in there. You can also access all the valves for the crane right inside the bed. Just another maintainer quirk. Inside here, I was just running the air compressor, so we still got some air in there. There's your reel. Your aftermarket wireless remote. Replace the factory remote. The old remote's still in there. You're welcome to keep it. Does not do any good. Just a shot underneath the bin. Again, the floor is dry. Just surface rust inside the bin itself. Shot of the load chart here. Let's see if I can get a good one. 6350 and then 24-foot max reach. Whoops. Shelving on this compartment. And this is your torch cabinet here. Power locks, power windows, cruise control. No rips or tears on the interior. A couple grease spots on the headliner. And then some staining over here on the dash itself. That's about it. Again, it's a 2015 model, F550, just under 195,000 miles, two-wheel drive. If you have any questions at all, you can call or text 804-716-8487. We'll get into a cold start now and a crane demo, and I appreciate you watching. Thanks so much.